Okay, we're coming up to the lighthouse. We're gonna die. Oh no, it's getting closer. Maybe we can turn around. You have to come right here, don't you? We parked over there. There's one. Okay, are you guys ready?
Wait.
No, I hear it already. Wait. I hear it already. I don't want to hear it.
Wait, no, wait.
I hear it. No, I don't want it. Don't stop the car. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I can't roll my window. It's on my side, you fucking asshole.
Look at the killer bird, Sarah. Killer bird.
It's getting closer. Cassie, I'm not kidding.
It's just a fucking bird.
You don't know that there could be a whole flock of babies back there. Not baby birds, but babies. All hanging on poles, dying. They're all like, save me. And you're just like, oh, it's just birds. But they're like, no, my God, we're just infants, save me. And you're like, birds, haha. Maybe it stopped. Oh.
Just don't shit through my moonroof.
I might.
Let me go outside with the computer.
Fuck you.
Let me get it.
Yeah, just leave me in the car. Here, yeah, you go outside. Leave the keys. It gets louder when you get out. It doesn't like you. You better be formula. Go ahead. Go near the bushes. I double, triple doggy dare you to walk all the way over there.
Where?
All the way over there by that brown fucking thing. I'll tell you when to stop.
This is scary as shit.
Keep going. Cassie! No, stay there. Go ahead. Keep walking.
Okay. I think I got it. That was creepy. It was like,
go over there with you.
it was like right there.
I want to go over there with
Let's go then. It takes a little bit to like muster the courage.
Yeah. I know you walk up real fucking slow.
Yeah.
Maybe you should just leave the door open. Just in case I have to jump in.
We go in there, there's one in there.
Will you hold my hand? I'm not even kidding you right now.
Come on.
They're flying above us like they're gonna attack.
Oh, come on.
Cassie, wait, slow down.
Come on.
I am coming at my own speed. You can't force the come. Oh my god. That one almost hit me in the head.
No, it didn't.
Something's gonna jump out. People just stand up here and fuck with people. Wait. I don't know if I want to film like those. Cassie, can we go back to the car?
Come on.
Oh yeah. You didn't walk all the way to the fence.
No, we'll just go right here to this post. Right here.
I'm coming.
on.
Bird's gonna shit on
Dude,
me.
yeah, seriously. These birds are gonna fucking land on us pretty soon. Ooh, they're getting low.
Cassie.
Oh, fucking... There's always a reflection, like, beaming down on the sidewalk, and it keeps scaring the shit out of me.
I know. Sorry, I have reflective properties. One of the loud ones happens again. I'm out of here. There's always that one that's... You're like, oh my god!
There's, like, some right over here.
Oh!
It stinks over here, man.
Yeah. We're surrounded by babies. Dead ones. So.
Okay, we go.
Thank you. That one actually sounded like a... I was like, oh my god. Okay, doors closed in, babies aren't coming in. There's like one in here, it's like, Mom!
Exactly.
Oh god! We just like, leave, quick!
Here.
I don't want to hold that fucking thing.
Oh, the smell just gave me a headache.
I'm sorry. I didn't shower after work. See, if I would have been there for that one that we just heard, that I would have shit myself. You would not have only been smelling dead babies. Oh, that scared me.
What?
He's all, meow. I'm like, no. No horror movie music for now. Back to the opera's scary too. Put dead babies next to anything and it's scary. Especially like
Barney.
I was just gonna say that! Especially Happy Barney music. It's like dead babies. No, 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 no. I love you. No. I love dead babies. I'm so glad we left. Isn't that scary after a while? We only stayed for like minimum 3 seconds. Well, I mean, I did. All the girls were like, Bill! We're like, okay! Fuck the boys! Let them fend for themselves!
You guys were like, fuck it!
We totally were. And they're like running for us. We're like, fuck you guys! So that was me being a little bitch.